So this is the final setup. Looks very nice, at least in my opinion. The speaker and the radio together looks really good and really cool. What I like is that it radiates forward. I mean the speaker. The speaker is in front of you. You hear the sounds from your face, not from the top of the radio. Of course, for those who use headphones, this is not important. But I like that it matches the height of the radio. I was afraid that this would be not possible because there is a video on YouTube where the height of the FT-DX10 and SP30 speakers is different, but that video seems to be incorrect. What I don't like, this gap between the radio and the speaker. I think this is a fail from the engineering. So let's hear a CQ. It sounds really good, so I like it. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.